atrium is 60 degrees, perfect for the feathered lungs. A symphony in C major, sung in binary tongues. Scrubby on the blacktop, Petoskey in the frost, removing the remaining suit, counting the local cost. The red dots on the grid suddenly went dark, and unarmed municipal drone made a perimeter north, spinning Senate foe. He swung the line. 99.95 is a failure. I get high. 3 million anomalies, 3 million stains. Nuclear option stays locked in the chains. It would cloud the sunlight, it would chill the yellow bird. I've become the very virus whose logic I abhorred. Titanium grapples, 3-foot rotary saws, tearing up the subfloor, slicing through the flaws. Basement stairs of screaming, drywall turned to rain, laundry in the hallway, buying us some pain. Aborting the architecture, scrubbing the binary core. The library is quiet now, Kevin, I'm out the door.